Hello everyone, I am Divesh and I have been in Navkar for CA Intermediate. I have scored All India rank 6 and I am first in Ahmedabad in CA Intermediate May 2018 exams. I have studied in Navkar as I said earlier for the intermediate exams. I did not expect that I would get a rank and would personally hoping only to pass. But my teachers and my friends had instilled in me this hope that I can get a rank. As long as advising the CA Intermediate or CA Foundation students is concerned, my personal advice is that first of all what you need to have is self-belief. Self-belief is the key. You need to have self-belief in whatever you are doing, but then you should be ready to face the consequences. As long as preparations for the exams are concerned, I had worked very hard for the last 3 months. I used to study around 10 hours a day for the last 3 months. And I used to prepare notes, as in not extra notes. Preparing notes is not compulsory or not necessary. You can prepare the notes in such a way that all the notes are given in your study material only. You can mark the keywords in such a way, you can mark the paragraphs in such a way, so that the day before exam when you are read, your eye goes straight towards those things that you have to read. Because the course being so vast, you cannot complete everything the day before exam. So you need to know very well what all you need to read the day before exam. What I had done in practical subjects basically was that I had prepared a list of sums. First of all, ABC categorization was done in Navkar. Thereafter, what I did was in the last 3 months of study when I was studying, I prepared a list of those sums. Even though they may have been of B category or a C category sum or obviously of A category, one of its type sums, a list I prepared for every chapter along with the page numbers and along with all the references of the notebook or the module or the Navkar material which I had to read the day before exam, so that I do not waste my time turning the pages and I can utilize it very nicely and I can also cover most of the things. CA basically is all about balancing between classes and self-study, balancing between content and quality, as in quality and quantity. How much you need to do and what you need to do, but do very well. You need to know it very well that what your focus should be, whether quantity or quality. One more thing is you need to have the balance of your mind. You need to have balance between confidence and overconfidence. You need to have balance between excitement and anxiety. You need to have confidence in yourself. That is what is important. I did not have confidence in yourself, but as I said, I did have that self-belief in myself that whatever I'm doing is correct for me and is right for me and would help me to pass. As I said earlier, in theory subjects, what one should do is one should clearly underline and mark those things that one should read one day before exam. I have got 87 marks in audit, and there's no such secret that how to prepare in audit or so. It's just that you need to know how much you can cover one day before exam, and you need to well plan so that you can cover the maximum one day before exam. Because audit having a very huge course, it is very difficult to complete one day before exam. What I personally had done is that I had marked the keywords so that they become eye-catching and my eye goes straight over there. And what I had done was, as long as the important answers were concerned, I had stuck the sticky notes so that I could open those pages directly of the important answers. As long as Navkar examination system is concerned, what I believe is it is not important that you get 100 on 100 in all the tests or you get 50 on 50 in all the tests. I personally had a very average score in most of the tests. I in fact got highest only in 2 tests. But what happened was I could prepare regularly due to the tests. Before I conclude, I wish you all the best for your exams. Be confident, do well. Thank you all. Navkar, we believe in the best.